Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss that when you try to download or install any app in your app store, or you may open your app store, you may face a problem that cannot connect to app store. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So guys, basically this is internet connection error. So if your internet is not working properly, or your software is not updated properly, you may face this type of issue of problem. So what you have to do, you may simply, guys, first of all, you may open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, you may click here on your Wi-Fi, click here on your Wi-Fi name. Here is the option of forget this network, so you may click here and you may connect it again. Then guys, you may go back, and if you are connected to mobile data, you may click here on mobile services and select mobile data options, and you may select 3G, 4G or 5G from here, and you will make sure that your internet package is working properly. Then guys, you may go back again and you may scroll it down, and here is the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. After this, click here on general and click here on software update, and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Or if you have any beta update, you may uninstall beta update, or you may update your iPhone to public beta or official software. Then you may go back and click here on background app refresh. Click here and you may select background app refresh, and this is turned on. Then you may go back and click here on date and time, and you may select set automatically turn on. After this, here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click here and click on reset, and click on reset network settings. Then guys, you may go back again and you may scroll down, and here is the option of screen time. So you may click here, and here the option of content and privacy restrictions, so you may turn this off. After this, you may just restart your device, and then you may open your app store, and you may now try to download or install apps again, and you will check your problem will be fixed. So let's check this. Try to download or install any app, and you may check now your app store is working and downloading apps properly. So by all these methods, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.